In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new column in Notion. So in here, after successfully accessing the homepage of your Notion account, what we're going to do is we're going to simply navigate on the page where the table is located to. So let's say we're going to use to-dos in here. We simply click this. And once you open this, this will then direct us to the page wherein we can input or edit the column. So as you can see in here, we have this column or table. We have task name, assignee, the due dates, and due dates as well. Now to add a column, as you can see on the right side of the table, on the last column, you can see this add property in here. So once you click this will ask you to select a property, whether you input text, drop down, person, checkbox, or any type of data that you will input on the column. So let's say we're going to use date in here. And as you can see, we have now successfully added a new column. So you can change the name as well. Let's say final due date. And after that, you simply click. And now we have successfully added a new column in Notion. And that's about it. That's how to add a new column in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.